just a pour out of these 5 colours that I have left over. They look like odd bods, so I want to see what I get out of them. Oh my lordy lordy. I will bring the camera down in a second, but that, no silicone. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, this is the Global Black with FLOETROL. So who knew? I know that I tried Montmartre with just FLOETROL. It didn't give me that result. So there you go. That is really good news. Look, oh my lord. Lordy, lordy. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, that is gorgeous. I want to bring you down to have a look at these. Just gorgeous, gorgeous cells. Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. Oh, well, there you go. That is beautiful. I'm going to bring you down to have a look at that. Oh. Well, 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 my goodness me. Look at these absolutely gorgeous gems. Gorgeous, gorgeous gems. That is unbelievable. Unbelievable. What a result. What a result. No heat. I'm not going to add any heat either. It absolutely does not need it. So if you are suffering lack of cells, cellmates, please explore the Global Acrylic and the Aussie FLOETROL. does exactly the same as the Amsterdam paint. It's just, I suppose, if you can't get hold of the Amsterdam paint. So, but that is something special. Just look at that. I think I need to do some aprons, don't I, with cellmates on. So you guys are my cellmates, and then look at that. Okay. All righty. I want to thank you. Sorry for dribbling on, but you can, as I say to anyone that whinges about talking, you can mute the channel or you can turn off and go elsewhere. So I shouldn't keep apologising as people keep telling me not to. But anyway, so new things happening, new plans for a studio sometime in the future, because I have got no more room to expand whatsoever. So, and thank you to those people that write, send me money, gift cards and whatnot. And I'm so sorry that I haven't cashed any of the checks or any of the gift cards, because I've got the account now, so that's going to be the place. So thank you so much, and I will get back to you soon. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be back to normal, not emotional. Okay, you take care of yourselves, and just be kind to each other and kind to yourself. Bye for now.